1, 2.5. This one we can cheat a little bit. This one's only off like an 1/8. So that one's not too bad. So it's just that one and that back bedroom one. We are at a QC2 right now, and what we're doing is we're walking through to make sure our tiles all been finished up. Our doors are going in, our cabinets are going in, our base, our case, our shelving, our window sills, closet, our vinyl floors in also, but everything's consistently perfect as a 1/2 inch at every jam. That was good though.
That one's close enough to the ceiling.
So we got a low ceiling here. This is all closet. Back in here it gets a little lower, so we're gonna do our hanging rods back here where it's even lower, so all your clothes will hang back here. So we're making sure everything is in before we get into paint. So we're really walking through and making sure all of our trim's put together. Everything's going in correctly. This one's too far down.
That's gonna be a little bumpy because I'm gonna have to, you know what I'm saying? You can see where it goes up in that corner.
We'll float this side, the other side we'll just go all the way around.
And I've got a 1x12 for the stringers, so that'll be, I'll have my knee through that.
Perfect.
Too, so.
We're also doing a drywall check also right before paint, so we'll mark up the entire area with all this green tape you're seeing. Shower, so this is a nice shower here. We've got 2 shower heads, so his and hers. Drywallers will fix everything on its last run, and then we'll go straight into paint. So that's what our QC2 is. We're checking everything before we get into paint and drywall repairs, and also making sure that all of our trim, doors, cabinets, and everything is going in correctly.